Hello! In this tutorial I will show you how to change app language in application called Bluesky. First, you have to tap icon in the left top corner. Now, click on Settings, scroll down and click Languages. Now you can choose three options. First is app language. You can pick whatever language you want. I will choose English. Then you pick primary language. This language is a language which posts are translated in. So when you pick Russian, a post that will be shown to you will be automatically translated to this language. I will choose Polish, for example. Third option is content languages. You can pick between all languages in the world, and these are main languages that algorithm will show you post in. So when you have English, Polish and Russian, algorithm will mostly show you post in these three languages. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel. Goodbye.